Hi everyone, today we are going to see a small lesson about monsoon. What is meant by monsoon? Monsoon is rainy season. I hope everyone like to wet in rain and go in rain. If rain comes, the cloud become black. Rain is coming, so repeat it. Rain, rain. One boy carried a colorful umbrella. Repeat, umbrella, umbrella. One boy wear a raincoat, blue raincoat. Repeat, blue raincoat. Everyone is enjoying in rain. We all also like enjoying in rain. Playing in water and going dancing. I told cloud. So cloud is in black color if rain come. Cloud, cloud. If rain come means it will come rainbow, colorful rainbow. It has 7 colors. Rainbow has 7 colors. So rainbow, rainbow. We will make boat and put in the water. Thank you all. If you like, subscribe.